Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, it's a great privilege to have Mrs. Nusrat. She's a well-known faculty here. She's in fact the head of faculty in Galaxy Degree College, and she's today with us. In fact, today she's going to talk to you something about how you have to approach for EdSet. What are the all the common entrance test exams are there. So now what do you can you please tell something about the test, all the eligibility tests, how they can go for it?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Actually, today we have actually decided with Sam sir that we want to start a coaching center. From 1 year back only we are actually thinking of starting a coaching center, because people nowadays are actually like that. Everybody wants to write a competitive exam, because nowadays competitive exam for taking admission into degree, also for taking admission into PGs, also competitive exams, entrance exams. There are so many entrance exams where students have to overcome, and then only they will get admission in regular colleges, in private colleges, or whether in universities also. So for taking this thing in mind, actually we decided to start a coaching center here actually, sir. And then we intake certain types of courses here. I want to say here that we not only just giving coaching on entrance exams, all the entrance exams for all the academic courses, but also for the professional courses and for the teaching ability tests also. So teaching ability test means whatever TET is there, that is teachers eligibility test exam for getting a government job. Central test is there, central government central teachers eligibility test for getting government jobs in central schools like Kendriya Vidyalayas, like Navodaya Vidyalayas, Army Public Schools. These schools actually require it doesn't require your B.Ed degree, professional degree, or doesn't require your M.Ed degree. After the completion of these even more professional degrees also, you have to come through these competitive exams. Then only you will get as a teaching post. So people, I know so many of my friends, so many of my students that they have completed B.Ed and they have completed MA also, but they are not overcoming these PGT and TGT exams. So based upon this, I decided in collaboration with Sam sir that we should start a coaching center that will give coaching not only to on the academic front also, but also to the professional students or professional front, which will overshine, which will shine their future also, and they will get a job in that field.
That's great. Sure, that's a nice, great insight you have given. Now, what I want is what is the basic qualification? For example, if someone wants to do this competitive exams or any eligibility tests, so what is the easiest step for them?
Okay, so we have created a certain curriculum in here. So according to that curriculum, we will take admissions. For example, if students are there who want to get admissions in PG, post-graduation, so there is one exam called CP-GET. So common post-graduation entrance exam test is there. We will give a basic training of all this, like M.Ed. If M.Ed is there, if MA is there, MSc is there, MCom is there, there are so many post-graduation courses. So for getting passed in these courses, who want to take admission in regular or in other college, in other courses also, we will give a CP-GET training here, entrance exam training, basic entrance exam training. In that basic exam training, CP-GET will get all the like student awareness, general awareness is there, current affairs is there, subject pedagogy is also there, which subject pedagogy is nothing but which you have studied in your intermediate and your degree. And then for example, if you want to take admission in B.Ed course, then B.Ed course means entrance exam is there for B.Ed to get admission, that is EdSet. If you want to qualify in EdSet, we will give you basic training of EdSet, that whatever you have studied till degree, from school onwards till degree, whatever you have studied, like in which subject you want to give the B.Ed. For example, if you have done BSc with in degree, then you have to go for bioscience or physical science. If you have done mathematics in BSc, then you have to go for mathematics as your main subject or subject pedagogy. Then based upon that subject of the students, we will give a common training and we will give depending upon the subjects also, training to them.
Mashallah, you can understand the way the knowledge what she has, she's giving to everyone. I mean, in fact, it's very great to have you here. And a few more questions. Now, for example, if someone wants to be a teacher, but if they haven't done graduation,
Yes.
do you think there are some certain courses where they can do after 12th? Maybe few students or candidates, they love to be a teacher, but they don't know the way. So, do you have anything for them?
Yes, coming to the question of sir, it is possible because those who have not done graduation because of any condition, it is possible for the intermediate students to get a government job, to bag a government position in any government school. How it is possible by doing DIET, okay, DED. DED is nothing but Diploma in Elementary Education, which we can do after a completion of intermediate. This is a very great and good opportunity for those students who completed intermediate and they are just sitting at their home waiting for the job to come. So this is a great opportunity. You can join here. You can take admission in DED course, type course, DED, that is Diploma in Elementary Education, and you can easily become a PRT, that is primary teachers, with a 40,000 salary in your account per month. So I found this is a very great opportunity. Who can do, who has done intermediate and just sitting at home, they can approach us. They will give them training to get certified in Diploma Elementary Education, and after that you can do your whatever course you want to do in teaching to primary schools. After that you will get a good job. I guarantee that.
Oh, that's nice to imagine the knowledge what you're getting. I mean, thanks to her, she's very, we should be thankful because, being a lady, she has just, come out and talking to everyone. That means, please understand, this is you have to take it in a right spirit. Because she is a great faculty. In fact, she has given education to so many students. In fact, a lot of students got great jobs, different fields. We should be always appreciate teachers because she is a great faculty. And in fact, the knowledge what she has, and she's got an intention to help the people. That's very nice of you, ma'am. Okay, now one few more questions since you are here. Now when these courses are starting, and what will be the duration? And if you can tell them.
Yes, from this month onwards only we are going to start. We'll just those who want to take admission, they should come to the Galaxy Degree College, Shalibanda branch, and they can contact Mr. Hussam Uddin sir or else me, that is Ishrat Fatima. After 3 p.m. you can contact. You can contact on my phone number also. We'll give you a brief detail of everything, the course detail, the course fee, the course structure, curriculum, and the timings and the duration of the course also. Please contact us.
Fantastic. That means, in fact, she has given a great knowledge. So thank you very much, Shubham. In fact, you have given so much to the viewers. We would like to say a big thank you to you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for appreciation.